how to find guest post opportunities in as little as 30 seconds, even if you've tried everything else and failed. But hey, stick around until the end and I'm going to provide you a bonus script that will generate tons of responses from your outreach. Stick around. Welcome back, guys. Matt Steinman here. I am a digital lifestyle entrepreneur with Armor Marketing. Today we're going to use Google to find some bloggers that are in our niche that are actually accepting contributions from other bloggers to kind of collaborate and build our own domain authority so we can get some more organic traffic from Google. So let's jump on into it, guys. And today we are going to be using, guess what? Google. So you guys might first want to head on over to Ahrefs, read through this article. I'll leave a link down below, but it's all about Google search operators. It's a complete list. This is a very detailed, updated list that you can use. So if you guys aren't familiar with it, it's just simple commands that you type into Google when you're doing a Google search. You can put these different words in front of your searches with a colon here and find different things. So if you are, if you just want to limit your search results to a specific site, like in this example here, it just has site and then apple.com. So it's just going to search everything on apple.com, and that's what's going to show up in your search results. Find sites related to a given domain, so you can type in related colon, whatever your domain is that you are looking at. Find pages with certain words in the title. So like for a blog post, you can put in title colon. If you're in digital marketing, you can type in digital marketing and it'll come up with words that are in the title. So very cool search operators and commands that you can type into Google to find additional stuff. But for this example, we are going to be finding some guest post opportunities. So here are the commands for finding some guest post opportunities that we're going to put into Google. And there's a ton of ways to search. There's different operators down here. So you can kind of get creative with this in your own little way. As you can see here, this example is in the fitness niche. And then you type in title. And then in quotations, you want to put right for us or in URL, which means it's going to be in the actual URL address of the website. Right-for-us. So there's also some other verbiage that people use sometimes on their blog to actually become a contributor. So you can use these as well. Right for me, contribute to, guest post guidelines. So if they have something about guest post guidelines on their website, that typically means that they're accepting, some collaboration with other guest bloggers. So we're gonna test this out here. We're gonna do the same exact thing here. So I'm gonna head on over to Google and type this in. Oh, it's up here in the search bar. So we're gonna do digital marketing and then in title, right for us, or in URL, right for us. So let's click enter here and see what happens. So this first one's an ad here. We don't really want that. So right for us, SEO content, digital marketing. So we're gonna click on that. I'm just gonna open up a new tab here. So here's another one, propel your company, digital marketing, right for us. This is medium. Let's see what that's all about. Right for us, digital marketing, SEO, easy ranks, the expert. So you can kind of scroll through here and see which ones you want to open up and possibly contribute to. So let's open up this first one here, resultsfirst.com. So you kind of want to go through these websites and see what exactly they are accepting. So you can read through this. We cover everything digital marketing. So anything to do with SEO, content marketing, digital advertising. What do we publish? So most of these guys do have guest post guidelines. So you want to make sure to read these. Some of them have, different styles of writing that are only accepted. Some of them are, please give sources, okay, include your bio and a headshot. So if you do want to contribute, you can just fill out this contact form on these websites and start a conversation and possibly contribute to these websites. So let's jump on over to the other one here, digital marketing, right for us, guest posts. Here are a list of digital marketing guest posting sites. Okay, so this one's even better. This actually gives you other websites to post to. And it even tells you hard to contribute, right for us, crazy egg, hard, moderate, related search terms. So it's even giving you a bunch of search terms to search for in Google. So very cool. That's a cool site. I'm actually gonna bookmark that. So let's jump back here. Let's go to, let's say we're in the fitness niche. So right for us, how to contribute to fitness magazine. I'm sure that one's pretty difficult to get into. So here's another example we can do. So if you are in the affiliate marketing space, we can do guest post. Let's see what this results. So guest post, Luke Pearfly, must be related to affiliate marketing, make money online. So let's click on into this and see what this guy's got going on. So you can kind of run through the same process. It's just a different, search command. If you enjoy making money online, okay, so guest post article requirements must be 100% unique, 500 words or more. So this one looks like it's pretty easy to guest post to. Monthly guest post rewards, so they give you rewards. So just enter your name, email, subject, and a message, and you're off and running. So those are just some quick commands. Again, if you guys want to reference this Ahrefs blog post article, I will leave a link down below for you. Just try out all these different phrases that people would possibly use on their website, and they have a little bit more advanced techniques here as well. So I'd highly recommend going through this list and finding the commands that work for you. Hopefully you will actually start contributing to other blogs and increase your organic traffic. So if you are still sticking around, there is a little bit of a bonus for you since you stuck around until the end. So there's a template here that I am going to use, and I actually borrowed this from Adam Enfrau. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. He is a very successful blogger in the make money online space. So I took the example he had on his website and kind of tweaked it a little bit, and you can tweak it as well, but this will get you started. So I'll leave a link down below to this Google document, and you can actually just copy and paste this. Make sure you obviously fill in your first name. You are a whatever you are, a digital marketer, a DIY home decorator, whatever it may be. You want to make this short and sweet. Basically say, I'm reaching out because I loved your article, name the title of the article. It resonated with me because so-and-so. Keep it short. These people aren't going to want to read long emails. I was curious if you'd like to participate in link building. I write blah, blah, blah. And you want to ask them if they do allow guest posts. You know what? I'm actually going to take this one out because I know that they allow guest posts because we actually searched for it. So I was curious if you'd like to participate in link building. I write 10 guest posts per month, and we'd be happy to link to your site and your content. I'd love to contribute to your awesome blog, your useful blog, your informative, whatever it is. Your blogging can pitch some topic ideas that I think your audience will enjoy. Here are some recent examples from me. So put in your URLs here. Please let me know if you're interested, and I look forward to hearing back from you in the next 24 hours. Give them a little bit of a time crunch there. And then thanks, Matt. You can, sincerely, whatever you want to put there. You guys can use this template and, do a little outreach for yourself. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you can kind of start your guest post blogging journey, because that's exactly what you need to actually start gaining some traction, increasing your domain authority, and increasing your organic reach. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. And again, subscribe and like this channel if you want future videos like this. See you soon.